Right, in this video I'm going to show you a two-step trigonometry problem, and in this case we have to find the value of x, so we have to find this length here of this big triangle. What we will notice that it's made up of two right-angled triangles, so the best approach is to split the two triangles up, and you should perhaps draw them out separately to help your understanding. So I'm going to draw this one out. And I'm going to draw this one out. Okay, I'm going to call this length here, from here to here, I'm going to call it y. The other next thing you need to do is to make sure that you label the right angle triangle. So if this is the angle, this side is the adjacent because it's next to the angle. This side is opposite because it's opposite the angle. And this side is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. Using SOHCAHTOA, now because I want to find this side, which is going to give me part of the x that I want, then I want opposite, adjacent and angle, therefore I must use TOA and write down the ratio that tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Now applying that to this triangle, we're going to have that tan of 25 degrees, the angle, is equal to the opposite side, which is 12, divided by the adjacent side, which I've called y. These letters you can make up for yourself. Rearranging that, we're going to have that y is going to be, and you have to be careful here, is going to be 12 divided by tan 25. Right, now going to the other triangle, I'm going to call this side here z. All right, and then obviously the answer to the problem is going to be y plus z. That gives the whole of that length. So this is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse, and this is the opposite. And again, because I want to find the adjacent and I've got the opposite and the angle, I'm going to use tan. So tan of 54 degrees is going to be equal to 12 divided by z. And if I want to make z the subject, again, it's going to be that z is going to be 12 divided by tan 54. Now, the important thing to realise that x is now y plus z. Now, I don't actually have to work these out at this stage. So drawing that out, this length here is going to be y, which is 12 over tan 25, and this length here is going to be z, which is 12 over tan 54. And so x is y plus z, so that's going to be 12 over tan 25. So just repeat that, 12 over tan 25 plus 12 over tan 54. Right, now this is the stage you get your calculator out and you make sure that you've got the little d in your screen because we're going to be using degrees. And we make good use of the fraction button. So it's going to be, when you work that out, you get 34.452. Normally we give to three significant figures, so that 5 will make that a 4, a 5, and therefore the final answer is going to be 34.5 centimeters. So this has been a video to show you how to find a length by splitting a normal triangle up into two right-angled triangles. I hope you've understood. And I thank you very much for watching.